All right, tell me if I'm the only one that feels this way. You go to a donut shop, you want to get a couple of donuts, then you got people waiting in line. The donuts are exposed, right? But then people that are waiting in line are coughing, sneezing. Some of them are coughing over, the sugar and the creamer that are on the side. Man, that makes me feel uncomfortable. First of all, because, it's flu season. But on top of that, how do you tell people, hey, what you're doing is not sanitary? I mean, it really bothers me. Maybe it's just me. What do you think?